Hi, I'm Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific, and in this training video, I'm going to show you how to give your customers access to their data. Let's get started.
There are several ways customers can view your saved reports. A hard copy or a digital copy can be provided to the end customer, or a user profile can be created for your customer so that they can log in and access the reports. Let's start with the different ways you can provide the report data to your customers. A copy of the report can be downloaded to PDF and printed. To get started, select a customer, facility, building, and system from the customer selection box. The selected system will appear in the blue box on the top right corner of the screen. The number is unique and identifies the specific customer database. You can save some time if you know the system number. Double-click on the system box and enter the system number to navigate directly to the desired system. Once you have a system selected, click on View All Reports located in the Report section and select the desired date range. From here, the report PDF can be downloaded directly from this list. Click on the PDF icon located to the right of the report. Once the report has been downloaded, the PDF can then be given to the customer. There is another chance to download the PDF when users are viewing the specific report. Click on the report to view the report details. The PDF icon is located on the menu above the report. Click PDF to download the report, and the PDF can then be given to the customer. Another option is to email the report. The report can be emailed by clicking on the email button located on the top menu. A list of available recipients will appear for the user to choose from. Recipients will be grouped with global and client users listed at the top, followed by customer users, then customer contacts. To learn more on how to populate the recipient list, please refer to the training videos for client users, and customer contacts. Select who and how the email should go out. If the recipient is not listed, an email can be manually entered in the email form. Click Send to email the report. You can automate this process by setting up a notification contact. From the home screen, make sure you have a system selected in the customer selection bar. Scroll down to the Tools section and click on Notification Contacts. This feature will allow the system to automatically email the report to the designated email address as soon as the report is finalized. To learn more about how to set this up, please refer to the Notification Contact training video. So what if you want to provide more than one report at a time? There is a tool called Customer Review Report that will allow a user to generate a report that will merge multiple reports into one or more PDF files. This report can pull any report saved under the same customer. Let's take a look at an example. Make sure you have a customer selected, and then from the home screen, click on the Customer Review Report button under the Graphs and Trends section. Click on the completed report. The content of this report can be customized to include any of the manually entered reports saved under the customer. This report can be saved or printed with the intent to share during an account review, but it is also a great tool for providing your reports in bulk with a few simple clicks. Please refer to the Customer Review Report training video to learn how to generate this report. Finally, there may be customers who want direct access to the report. They can be set up as a customer user. Once a user profile is created for them, the user can log in and access only the information they have permission to see. Customer users can be found under the User Management section under Manage Accounts. From the home screen, select a customer from the Customer Selection box, then scroll down to User Management and click on the Manage Accounts button. The available users are based on the organization and customer selected. Click on the customer list to view your customer users. The users listed here will be able to log into the site. Each user can be set up to view different types of reports as well as different parts of the customer account. Click on a specific user to view the user detail. To learn more about setting up customer users, please refer to the Customer User Training video.
I hope you found this video helpful. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching.